I want to teach you how to migrate to the new MyCam. So I'm going to install the MyCam right now and teach you how to set it up properly. Now, in the new MyCam, we are not using lsposed anymore, so you don't need lsposed. You only need to have either MyCAM or you need to have Apache or Apache or Cane Su. Any of these will work. But I just want to show you guys how to set it up. When you install MyCam for the first time now, it will not trouble you with lsposed anymore, but it will ask you to install MyCam engine. The engine is what MyCam needs to be able to function. Now, it would say you should grant permission. Please grant permission. Yeah. And then it will ask you that it will say that MyCam engine is not installed. Now, click on install from here. It will come back again to tell you to click on install again. Keep doing that. Keep clicking on the install. Again, it will ask you again to click on install, that the engine has not been installed yet. You need to keep clicking on it until it shows you to reboot, because once the engine has been installed, you will need to reboot your phone for the engine to start operating properly. Now the engine has not been installed and I need to save my video, so I will cut the video here, and then when I come back, after the reboot, we're back again with our phone. If you click on the MYCAM app and you go to the module, which is here, down here, you should see MyCam engine installed successfully. Here we have the MyCam engine, and that's all you need. You don't need any other thing. Now, you don't have any business pin here anymore, but if you're using Apache or Cane Su, you need to install the ZYGIS Nest. So there's one called ZYGIS Nest. Make sure you install that inside your manager, which is your Apache or your Cane Su. But if you're using the MYCAM root, which is this one, you don't need to download anything else. This is just what you need. This is what you need for it to function, nothing else, right? So, okay. Now, if we open MyCam, it should be able to detect our engine now and run smoothly without having any issue. Right, so it's checking, and you see it does not bug me anymore with I need to install anything, because everything has not been installed. The phone is still very waking up after the reboot, so it's a bit slow, because of the reboot. The next thing you want to do is grant access. As you can see, it say access, and what that means is that the storage access needs to be granted. Click on the grant, and then click this, and then go back. That has been sorted out. You see that message disappear from there. That issue has been fixed. The other thing that you want to do, you can change your theme. You can go to the theme pack and put it on any different theme you want. I like this theme a lot, so I'll put it on this one. Now that the theme has been changed, to get the remote to work, just click on select target. So let me just go back again. So this is select target. Click on open select target. Now target folder, yes, click on that, toggle that on, and then click on this one. Search for the app you want to play the video call or the fake video on, and then click on it like this. When you click on it, here will be activated. Now click on add video, which is just click on video. It will tell you that you need to check if the app is selected in the target session. Click confirm, and then let it check. Click confirm again and confirm again. As you can see, MyCam have done a verification and checked that yes, the app is actually selected. Click on add video now. In here, you can select any video that you want to add. Okay, let's say we want to add this one. Okay, now that we've added that one, so this is WhatsApp, of course. I think I'll just do quick one on Instagram. You can then click on remote, and now remote should work. So yeah, of course you need to turn on your overlay. So once you click on remote, because this is our first time using it, because we uninstall it here, look for MyCam, click on MyCam, click on the overlay allowed, and then go back, click on remote now, and the remote should come out. Now you can switch your remote to different remote. Click close, go to the setting, click on remote style, and we have different remotes on here. Now if I click on my remote again, I should have a different remote. So you have different option of remote that you can choose from. You can also minimize it to be very small remote. Okay, that's fine. Now let's just do a quick one on Instagram because I don't have so the same process. Click on video, it will confirm. Again it says Maggie's engine are ready, shoes, and then it will say check again. So just click check again. Sometimes it does happen like this, and it said MYCAM did not find a verify MP4 in the target folder, which is fine. But that's fine. Close it, click on it again, yeah, and then click confirm again, and click confirm again, click confirm again, and that should work. So in case that does give you a bit of issue, the reason why it did that was because I was press, I was too fast for the system to confirm. So when you're too fast, it might lead to that type of issue. But yeah, and now click on remote. Remote should just, all right, sorry about that. Now when you select the Instagram like this, now the remote should just work out of the box. So if you click on the remote, it should work. One thing you need to note that if you go to Instagram, it might not work right away because it's still injecting. So if you open the camera and it does not work, close the Instagram totally, close it completely, and then go back to MYCAM, click on the remote again, and then go back to Instagram, and it should start working from that point on, because it does take a bit time to eject everything into the app that you want to play the video on. So now if you go to Instagram and we click on this and just click on play for our video should start playing for us. As you can see, the video start playing. Yeah, so please, when you do it the first time, it might not start working. Close the app completely and then go back to MYCAM, click on the remote again, close the remote as well, click on the remote again, wait a bit second, and then go back to the app that you want to play the video on, and it should start working. And from that moment on, you don't have to do that process again. Anytime you open the remote, it will start just working with that app because it has already injected the old stuff, everything into the app, so it will start working now. Right, so there you go, it start working now, right? Now another session in the voice. If you click on the voice on here, you need to log in to use the voice. You can use the voice to do fake voice chats, like you can send fake voice to anyone or anybody on any social media, being WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram. It works, but you need to create an account, and that's all. Just name an email and you start using it for free. You can also click on how it works. It will teach you on how it works. And also, if you're having any issue or you want to learn more about the stuff you're seeing, like washer, changer, clone, you can click on the AI here, and the AI will just give you tip on how to use them. For e.g., if I click on teach me on how to use clone, the AI will give me what clone can actually do, and it will also teach me on how to set it up completely. So